Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number B9752P. Only 9,000 miles on this Pacifica. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, power sliding doors on both sides of the van, seats 7 with a leather interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Sunshades for all rear windows. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors, helping to give it an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick status. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall in the rear. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off a key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And when they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 9,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and separate rear heat and air. Heated front seats. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has the 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 75% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.